HMS was founded in 1987, 30 years ago, as a family-owned business.
I like working for HMS because a lot of companies try establishing a feel of unity of family, and I think HMS really succeeds at that. Where you want to see the business also succeed and grow, you also want to see your coworkers succeed and grow as well. And I think that's a big deal for me.
Family is important.
Good people.
Family values.
I think that's probably one of my favorite things about working for HMS is just having that interaction with all the other departments and getting to know people on a personal level as well.
I like working here because I think it's a small enough company to where you really get to interact with all departments. It's very easy and accessible.
It's fun to see the different backgrounds, the different creative minds. You can learn something new from someone every day.
Here at HMS, we design and develop products in 4 main categories: storage, waste, laundry, and recently we've added a line of kitchen products to our assortment. Our 3 primary retailers that have placement of our products are Target, Lowe's, and Walmart.
We put the voice of the consumer in front of everything that we do. Every innovation is based on what a consumer wants in their home.
No doubt about it, the quality of our product, we build something that's going to last a lot longer than our competition. We're a small to medium-sized corporation that does big things. That's kind of what we talk to our retailers about all the time, is that we're out there, competing with huge companies that are 4 or 5 or 6 times our size, but we're competing with them, we're winning at the shelf, and we're winning with the consumers.
If we create an environment where people want to come and they know that their ideas and concepts are important out there, they're going to want to create and keep creating and keep that innovation alive. So exceeding the expectations of every consumer out there has always been our goal, and we keep it fun while we're here.
I think that working together is really important. The whole group is smarter than an individual, so it's good to hear other people's perspective. It helps kind of generate new ideas as we work together in a group. The research that the design team does, we do a lot of trend-based research, we do a lot of internet research, we also attend a lot of trade shows throughout the world.
That's one thing I've always loved about HMS is we remain competitive, even when we're not the biggest guy in the game.
I think that HMS is really grounded by its core values, and there are a lot of benefits to working here. One of my favorite things is we get paid weekly, and it's a lot easier to budget and kind of manage my personal life.
To me, the greatest thing about a small company like HMS is the ability to be involved in so many different aspects of the process, not just one little niche. You can learn so much. I've learned so much here, just seeing from the very beginning of a project to the end of a project where it gets sold in stores, which is really exciting.
When I first started here, I was an intern and I was still working towards getting my bachelor's degree. Looking back on that year, I definitely learned so much about the houseware industry, as well as being a designer working within that industry. I think that the people and the knowledge I gain every day has helped me grow, and that's really important to me.
Each new employee that joins our team brings something, a new experience or a new skill with them, and we learn from that. And more importantly, when you visit somebody's house, whether you know them or don't know them, and you see one of your products being used, it gives you a great sense of accomplishment.
So next time you're at your favorite store, you'll probably find one of our products, and you probably will use it in your home or your son or daughter's bedroom, or maybe you're giving it to your parents as a way to make their life easier.
We get to laugh, we get to have fun. We get to realize that we're trying to change the world one laundry basket and trash can at a time, and it's kind of fun.